Well, we have an update to a story that we brought to you yesterday after a man was arrested accused of waving a knife at construction workers. Take a look at your screen. We now have the mugshot of that suspect, 39-year-old Lane Davis. He was arrested on Wednesday near Lakeside Drive and Lakeside Way. The Grand Junction Police Department says he did not cooperate with officers when they arrived and he was tased. He's also facing a new hate crime charge along with felony menacing, obstruction, and child abuse charges. No one was hurt in the incident.